Hello guys, my name is Balkrishna and welcome to Code with BK. So in this video I'm going to solve question 8 of ICSE Computer Applications paper 2019. So question 8 says write a program to input a sentence and convert it into uppercase and count the display of total number of words starting with the letter A. So advancement. So sample input is this, okay, and sample output is total number of words starting with letter A is equals to 4. Since we have in this case advancement and application are 4 words, okay. So I'm going to class ICSE 2019 question 8. Okay, so whenever I solve the pen and paper solutions, I always make a point that I write the code in a text editor so that I don't have the the luxury of compiling again and again. So I'm going to once write it completely, then compile and check if I wrote it correctly or not. So public static void main string args, okay, and I'm going to import java.util.scanner, okay, to read scanner. So scanner object to read put scanner is equals to new scanner system.in. And so what do we need, what are we supposed to read? A line, okay. So you can maybe ask to enter a line, but they are not prompting anything, so I'm simply going to read a line. So read a line, so string line is equals to scanner dot next line, okay, and then convert it to uppercase. So line equals to line dot to uppercase, okay, and then you have to count the words with number of count words starting with A. So I'm going to use split method to count the number to get the words, okay. So get words, okay, so string words is equals to line dot split, okay, count words starting with A, int I is equals to 0, I is less than words dot length. So if words of I dot char at 0 is equals to capital A, then count plus plus, okay, and print the result, okay. System dot out dot println total number of words starting with letter A, total number of words starting with letter A is equals to plus count, okay. So let me just check it. ICSE 2019 class public static void main string args scanner is equals to new scanner. I will close the scanner. It's a good coding practice. Even if you don't close, does not matter. Scanner dot close string line equals to scanner dot next line, okay. Line equals to line dot to uppercase, okay. I get the words using split, okay. I'm using a split method because it's an inbuilt string method, so I can use it, okay. And if you want, you can add you can write a complete method that separates the words out of the string. I've added videos for both, you can check it out in my playlist, okay. And then I have the count to check the word starting with A. I iterate the set of words in this array of words, okay. And if this word at ith index caret 0 is equals to A, I increment the count and then I print the result, okay. So total number of words starting with letter A is equals to plus count and close. So let me just copy and check. So I have, okay, Java C question 8, okay, all good. Java question 8. So I need to input a line. Advancement in application and information technology are ever changing. Advancement and application of information technology are ever changing. Okay, 4. Welcome. Oops. Welcome to Code with BK. Oops, nothing. So this output is correct. This output is correct. And Adams, Apple. So AK, are you okay? I need to run that. Are you a good person? Okay, so R and A. Okay, and another case is, last case is, Ant-Man is not as good as Aquaman. Aquaman are force and meant A as an Aquaman. So this was the solution to this code, and I skipped a lot of work by using line.split. You can check out the videos where I've used a complete method where it finds out the words of this given line. So I hope this was helpful. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and thank you for watching.